Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we'll reveal how much it really costs to franchise a 3M pizza, the step-by-step process, and whether it's a smart investment this 2025. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right food business for you. If you're serious about making money through franchising, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. Established in 1969 by Merle B. Jimenez, 3M Pizza Pie is the Philippines' first commercialized Filipino pizza brand. Known for its crispy thin crust and sweet home-style sauce, it has become a nostalgic favorite among Filipinos. Franchising began in 2007, and as of now, there are over 40 franchise outlets nationwide. For the product menu, 3M Pizza's menu features a variety of pizzas and other offerings. For the pizza, they offer garlic and cheese, ham and cheese, Hawaiian Delight, Mushroom Mania, Pepperoni Feast, Beef Meat Sauce, Gardener's Delight, and Supreme Pizza. For the pasta, they offer spaghetti, lasagna, baked macaroni, and palabok. And others, they offer pizza rolls, cheese dogs, fried chicken, sagot gulaman, and dessert pizzas. For the pizza sizes includes 7-inch mini, 10-inch for medium, and 13-inch for mega. For the franchise fee and investment, 3M Pizza offers 3 franchising packages. The cart type package is worth 275,000 pesos. For the booth type package is worth 250,000 pesos. And for the basic sit-in package is worth 300,000 pesos. These packages include the franchise fee which ranges from 150,000 to 195,000 pesos depending on the chosen package. For the franchise inclusions, each franchise package comes with use of 3M Pizza name, trademark, and logo, access to the 3M operating system, cart or store design and construction, equipment and utensils, initial inventory, marketing collaterals, grand opening assistance, training and seminars, and crew uniforms. The franchise term is 3 years, renewable for another 3 years. Royalty fees range from 3% to 5%, and there's a 1% advertising fee. For the benefits of franchising 3M Pizza. Number 1. Established brand. A trusted name with decades of history. Number 2. Affordable investment. Lower capital requirement compared to other pizza franchises. Number 3. Comprehensive support. From training to marketing, franchisees receive full support. Number 4. Flexible formats. Options suitable for various locations and budgets. And number 5, quick ROI. Investment recovery period ranges from 3 months to 1.5 years. For the application process. Number 1, submit letter of intent. Include a map of your proposed location. Number 2, fill out pre-qualification form. Assess your suitability as a franchisee. Number 3, attend franchise seminar. Gain insights into the business. Number 4, sign franchise agreement. Formalize your partnership. Number 5, complete training and store setup. Prepare for operations. And number 6, grand opening. Launch your 3M Pizza outlet. For the contact information, you may contact 3M Pizza with the address Ground Floor, Marsk Building, 738 Aurora Boulevard, Corner Balete Drive, Quezon City, Philippines. You can visit their website at 3mpizza.ph. You can send them an email at 3mfranchise@3mpizzaPie.com.ph. You can call their phone through 02-412-8636 or 02-410-3766. You can also contact their mobile or Viber number +63 94647 15724. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. How can I own a 3M Pizza franchise? Answer. Start by sending a letter of intent to their email and fill out the franchise application with your proposed location. Once approved, you'll sign the franchise agreement to get started. Question number 2. What makes 3M Pizza unique? Answer: 3M Pizza is a legacy brand known for its affordable Filipino-style pizzas since 1969. They offer unique local flavors and a nostalgic experience that's both delicious and budget-friendly. Question number 3. How long does the franchising process take? Answer: the time frame for the franchising process can vary. It typically involves submitting an application, undergoing evaluation and confirmation, and signing the franchise agreement. This process can take several weeks to a few months, depending on various factors and the efficiency of the evaluation process. Question number 4. Can I own multiple 3M Pizza franchises? Answer: yes, it is possible to own multiple 3M Pizza franchises, depending on your qualifications and the availability of suitable locations. The opportunity to expand and own multiple outlets can be discussed during the franchising application process. Question number 5. Do I need prior experience in the food industry to become a franchisee? Answer: while prior experience in the food industry can be beneficial, it is not always a requirement. 3M Pizza provides comprehensive training and support to help you learn the necessary skills and knowledge for running a successful franchise. Strong passion for the brand and a willingness to learn are essential. Question number 6. Are there franchise opportunities available outside the Philippines? Answer: currently, 3M Pizza focuses on franchising within the Philippines. For any potential international franchise opportunities, please reach out to their franchising department for further information. Question number 7. What are the different types of 3M Pizza outlets available? Answer: 3M Pizza offers dine-in outlets, which provide a complete menu of pizzas, pastas, and drinks in a sit-down dining setting. Booth outlets are smaller and located in supermarkets, food courts, and BPOs, offering the full 3M Pizza menu. For the counter outlets, focus on selling pre-made frozen solo pizzas, ideal for locations such as schools, office cafeterias, and gas stations. Question number 8. Where are ideal locations for a 3M Pizza outlet? Answer: high foot traffic areas such as malls, supermarkets, schools, hospitals, and transport terminals. What are you waiting for? Start your business with 3M Pizza franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.